break number 5 of our Gold Rush Sensational Signatures Autograph Baseball Bat. It's a random team break. Every spot gives you 3 random teams. Some big names you can find out of here, from Trout to Ken Griffey Jr. to Ted Williams. Some huge names in here. So 10 spots altogether. Rick's got 3. Daniel O's got 1. Michael H with 1. Brett's got 4. And then William B, you've got 1 spot as well. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our teams. I think we pulled a Andrew Vaughn last time. I know we can do better. So we'll randomize this 5 times. All right, 3 teams per spots. Mix this up 5 times as well. How was it? All right, you guys, here we go. So, Brett, you've got the Cubs, Rangers, Royals, Padres, Blue Jays, Phillies, Rockies, Indians, Reds, Giants, Rays, and Mets. Daniel's got the Dodgers, the Mariners, and the Nationals. Michael's got the Yankees, Braves, and Red Sox. Rick's got the Twins, Orioles, Angels, Pirates, Diamondbacks, A's, Cardinals, Tigers, and the White Sox. And then, William, you've got the Brewers, the Astros, and the Marlins. So if a specific team is listed on the bat, obviously it's going to go to that team. If a specific year is inscribed, then it will go to the team that the player played for that year. Otherwise, we do length of service, so the team that the player played for the longest. All right, so tape and sealed up on this end. Same on this end as well. All right, come on, let's pull a big name out of here. All right, guys, good luck. Beckett authenticated. Looks almost like a Christian Yelich. Or even maybe a CJ. Oh, it is CJ Abrams. It's going to be a CJ Abrams, which will be the Nationals. And Daniel, that's you, man. Double check and make sure it's length of service. So maybe the Padres he played for longest. I don't know if he got called up with them. Let's see. Yeah, it is Nationals. 75 games with the Nationals, 46 with the Padres. So it is going to be the Nationals. So Daniel, that's you, man. It's a nice CJ Abrams autographed bat. So congratulations there. We'll get that bat in the mail tomorrow. We've got 1 box left of this that we'll do coming up here over the next couple weeks. So appreciate you guys jumping in on the Gold Rush bat.